Hi everyone, today we will learn manual sharing, a small, easy, and important topic. So, first of all, we will see what we had covered in the security till now. First, we had seen profile. So, profile is you can see we have given only basic access to user. In sharing setting OWD it's private, so that means customer is able to see only basic access, not other users record. Okay. Permission set has deleted, there is no permission set. If you will see role hierarchy is also untick, so role hierarchy will not work. Now let's see the sharing rule. So there is no sharing rule here. So now customer have only basic access. So let's see first basic access. So customer, click all. So customer is able to see only created by himself record. That's it. So now how manual sharing will work. Let's see. So first of all, I will go as a system admin in the admission object. I will open record created by myself and I will click here and I will click on the sharing. In the drop down, I will click on the sharing and I will find the person name, username, new user one. So I have assigned this user this record only. So we are sharing with manual sharing one single record. So if any urgent record is there and we want to discuss with someone for temporary purpose, we can share and then we can get back that record. Any record you can share, single record. So either with read only or read write, what you want you can give. So we are giving this record access to this user and click on save button. Now this record number is 2. We have given access to this user. Let me refresh the page and click here. So you can see before 23 was coming, so this is created by this user, and 2 is just now we have given the access to this user read only. So this user is able to read this access. So that same you can give any other record access also. So if let me log out. Any record, suppose 11, share, sharing, new, give read and write access. Okay, refresh, login. So user have this all, see. So for 2 customer don't have added access. If I will edit this, save, so it is saying you don't have permission. Okay, so if I will click on 11 and if I will add something here, then you can see I am able to edit the record as I have given honor is Andy. So this is manual sharing. We can give any record access for temporary or permanent purpose to a someone user, and one record we can share, called as manual sharing. Thank you everyone.